afternoon, respected panel. My name is Sanid Agrawal and my roll number is 2510 999 116. This is my task 5.1 for SIT 232, which is Object Oriented Programming. And this is my part 1 for this task. And in part 1, I have created a basic animal class without using the concept of inheritance. And this class contains some private variables like name, diet, location, weight, age, and color. I have also initialized a constructor which is used to define the values using the this keyword. And here I have initialized these values. And a method of name display is also created for printing all the details for of the animals. And addition to these, different methods like eat, sleep, make noise are defined to represent common behaviors, and these methods print actions like animal eating, sleeping, and making sound. This is the zoo park class. Here I have taken all the user inputs and everything. And the in the main method, the user input is taken and the object of the animal class is created, and the other methods like display, eat, sleep, and make noise are called. This is my part one for this task. Now I will comment out these and will show you the part two. This is my second part of the code, and in this, I have introduced the concept of inheritance by creating a subclass of name tiger using the colon symbol, which which is this. The tiger using the colon symbol, I have created the inheritance of the animal class. The tiger class uses the base keyword for calling the constructor of the animal, which allows it to reuse all the attributes and methods. And the animal class is same as I have shown you in the first part. This is the complete. And inside the main method of this, three objects are created. One is a tiger object, and two are the animal objects, which are representing the wolf and the eagle. The wolf and the eagle. And all objects call methods like display, eat, sleep, and make noise, which were in the animal class. The tiger objects behave the same as animal as it inherits all its functionality. And this part of the code is all same as in the part 1. So now I'll comment out this part and then we'll go to the third part of this code. Now this is the third part of the code, and in this I have used the method overriding concept. The make noise method in the animal class is declared as the virtual, which allows it to be overridden in the subclass. In the tiger class, the make noise method is overridden. As you can see, public override void make noise, so that this produces a specific sound instead of a generic one. And when the make noise method is called using the tiger objects, this executes the overridden version, whereas the other animal objects still use the basic class methods. This demonstrates the runtime polymorphism, which is the override. This is my main function. And now we'll go to the part 4 of, first of all, I'll comment out this. This is the fourth part of the code, and here I have used the multi-level inheritance for improving the structure of the code. And a new class is implemented, which will come in the coming video, which is called felon, which inherits from the animal. The tiger and the lion classes inherits from the feline class instead of directly from the animal, which will show the concept of multi-level inheritance. Now, the sleep method is overridden in the feline class, which is this. The sleep method is overridden in the feline class for providing, and this is overridden for providing the cat specific behavior. Then the tiger class overrides both the make noise function and the eat method for defining its specific behavior. Then the loin class also overrides the make noise method, and similar to them, the bird class is created, which inherits directly from the animal and introduces a new method known as fly, this virtual method fly. Then the eagle class, which overrides make noise, while the penguin class overrides the fly method for indicating that penguins cannot fly. This whole hierarchical structure improves the code organization and shows that how the inheritance can be extended. This is the main method for the task for this code. This now we'll comment out this part. And the fifth part is the theory part. So we will see the sixth part. In the sixth part, method overloading is used in a separate class. In this, two methods named print value are created with different parameter list as in the method overloading we do. One of the method takes a single string parameter, whereas the other takes a string and an integer both. The user input is implemented as in all the parts, and the user input is passed to these methods also. The compiler then decides which method has to be called based on the number and type of the arguments provided. So this everything demonstrates the compile time error, which is the method overloading. So thank you for this.